Hi, Yanta, you're welcome to our home-based learning. This is Eric Bob Gagwanfobe. I work at WIS and I'm currently in Wuhan. We thank God for the peace that is going on in the midst of all these challenges. As you can see there, I believe in the lion. The lion is a good animal. God compares himself to two animals in the world, the lion and the eagle. Why the lion? Because the lion is the king of the earth in the jungle, and the bird is the king of the air. All right, let's quickly move on to what I have planned for you today. We're going to go through some process of joining Khan Academy. Here are some instructions. Firstly, this is your website. You need to be accustomed to this website. You need to copy this website and paste it into your browser. And then for grade 6, you're going to use this code to join your class, your teacher's coaching class, this for grade 7, and this for grade 8. Now, once you go to your browser and type in www.khanacademy.org, it takes you to a page like this, and then you're going to go to Learner. You click here as a student, you click here, and then it opens to a page like this. Now, when you get to this point, it needs you to input your details. If you are below 13 years old or 13 years old, it would need you to input your parents' email to be able to help you get access to that. But for now, I do not want you to do that because you all have an email from Yang Tai, and hence you're going to put this default date of birth. It must not be your date of birth for privacy's sake, to keep your data private. You can just use this information here, and thereafter you need to click onto this part where you input your email address. You put your email address and you go ahead to from email address, your school email address. Thereafter, you come to this part. Like, I use my wife's email address because my email has already been used. You input your email address and then you put your first name and last name. Your first name and last name should be the names that are in your Power School, so that if we're going to be putting your grade in Power School, it will not be confusing for us to know who is who. You can put your ID name here, one of your ID names here, and then your other name here. And then you create your own password. You create your password there. After having created your password, I would like you to, you would turn to this page where you will now be able to select your class. You're going to choose your class. So if you are in grade 6, you're going to choose your class accordingly there. So when you go to grade 6 class, I want you to take basic geometry. Basic geometry. Your teacher told me you need to complete coordinate plane. So you need to click on basic geometry for grade 6, and then grade 7 need to go to pre-algebra. Grade 8 needs to go to algebra 1. So you click there and then you click continue. It takes you to the next page. So the next page will be like this. Now in this page here, you need to go to teachers. You click onto teachers. It might not look exactly like this. It might be on courses, showing you the course that you have selected. Then you come to teachers. You click on your teachers, and then it opens a section like this for you to input the code that you receive. This code is already here for grade 6 students. This is already your code. You put this code and then you click join class. You'll find that my name is going to appear in your account here. Then next, I want you to move to the next part where you'll be having something like this. Then you go here. Each time you need to view the assignments that have been sent to you, you go here and then you click on your name. It opens to notification. You click onto notification. It will take you to every assignment that has been assigned to you. Then you click onto that assignment. You start working on those. Now, for grade 6, if nothing has been assigned to you yet, because I need you to sign in and then I will be able to accept you into my class before I can assign you work to do. For grade 6, once you sign in, quickly you go to coordinate plane and you start working there. Now I can easily see what you have been working on even after I start assigning work for you to do. Then you move to this page. When you go to this page, you can see what you'll be learning. Learning in Khanacademy involves 3 stages. The first will be no, 4 stages. The first will be going through the lesson introduction, like videos. These are videos, and then some other document for you to read here. I will expect you all to go through all these videos. The videos here might be 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, just very short videos. Thereafter, you're going to go to the practice. After the practice, you're going to find when you're done with the practice, you move to the quizzes. And thereafter the quizzes, we're going to move to the unit test. So each course will complete with a unit test. The practice prepares you to be able to get to the quizzes. And thereafter the quizzes, the next practice prepares you as well again for next quiz and then the unit test. So your student page will look like this, and then you go to your name, your student name there, you go to notifications. It shows you what has been assigned to you there. So there are, these are different settings in your account. I'll always be happy that you log in and creating your account with your email, so that in case you forgot your password, you can still access it by inputting your email, and then it gives you your password. Now, the teachers can never help you with your password if you are above 13 years old. Now, I have created a default date of birth which shows that you are above 13 years old. So you need to put your email. Now, when you get to this page here, these are the videos. For example, this video, if I click onto this video, it opens to this video. Can you see this is just about 6-minute video introduction to the coordinate plane. After the video, the other videos, then you can go to the practice. I'll need you to watch the videos. From my side, I can always see that you've watched a video or you have not watched a video. Not watching the video will mean that we have to talk, or you will lose 20% of your overall grade. I always encourage my students to watch a video so they get their full grade. So you get to start your skills, and then it opens here. You're going to get a practice after having watched the videos. Now, once you go to the practice, there are hints to help you. There are video hints to help you each time you go to the practice. So it appears as though the teacher is working with you at every step, at every stage of your practice. So there we go. So in your practice like this one, it says plot the point 3, 7, 3 to 7. Now we know that on the x-axis, that's the coordinate. We start reading from the x before we go to the y. So x is 3, y is 7, is going to be somewhere there. I'm going to take this point here and bring it there. Then I click on check. But I don't want to do that now. Now, in case you didn't know how to do this, even after having watched the videos, something happened, you forgot the step, you can still go again to watch another video here to give you some more hint. You can click here to watch this video. It's 2 minutes. It gives you some examples, or you can take the hint. Now, once you take this hint, it will show you exactly how to go about doing the steps. Now, once you take this hint, it means that this particular question has been answered for you, and hence you will be short of 1 question out of 7. Hence, you have to go complete and come back and start all over again to get all 7 questions correct. Or it says get 5 of 7 questions to level up for familiar. Now, We know that our answer is correct. We are sure about that. And then we click check. Okay, now at the quiz level, you don't get such hint as you will get in the practice because it is preparing you for summative assessment as this one. Now you can click on the pen here. It gives you free handwriting where you can do some calculations. You can choose your pen. You can use a razor. You can refresh that and then you move forward. Now, given this question, we want to interpret this question from the graph. What is the point A? You can see that at the point A, we have negative 9 degrees Celsius, and then below it is -2. Now we're going to pick our answer from the table here, from the choice given here. Now it says at 9 degrees Celsius below zero, Nikuto's cat lost 2 kg. So if I believe that this is my right answer and I choose there, I can now check on my answer. Whoa, I got it correctly. You got it right. So you can also click here to see the way such questions can be answered. Let's say you think that you guess the answer. How will I normally not guess this answer in future? You click here and it opens to you other ways of interpreting such questions and getting it to be answered. Now I've just done that to check on another method of interpreting such questions. It shows me this. That is point A there. We have y-axis is -2, x-axis is -9, and then it gives you hints there. And you can also check on videos to keep learning even while doing your quiz. Okay, here we come to the end of this introduction. I hope that this has helped you, and I welcome you to join the Lion group. My students know that they are lions, and lions have an attitude. The attitude we have is eating lunch. We have stomach lunch and we have brain lunch, and brain lunch is mathematics. Enjoy these classes while your teacher recovers to join us soon. God bless you. Bye.